What's good, my people? This is E4CFX, and I know you're in the right place at the right time. A quick breakdown on XAUUSD, and make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this content. And at the same time, guys, don't forget that the most important thing about trading is marking your key levels. So you can see how I stated all those on the symbols right here. You can see my chart is actually looking neat, but that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is knowing your entry level and how to pick up your signals and wait for your setup to play. So that is just it. Without doubt, I don't care about what people are saying. The most important thing is I have to do what I have to do because I got some knowledge and I have to see them actually what display. So the format here is that this area here, you can see we had a Zoom call with my team, and quite in this Zoom call, I stated some things that I'll be expecting that the gold actually become bullish, but at the same time, anything that happens that broke trade has to break this trend line, then it's going to be a bearish form. Do you understand? So at the same time, you can see that price, we have our OB, we have a break of structure, a price getting liquidated at this area, showing that we need to just tap in here and then take some nice profit. So, and what did the price did at the end of the day? You can see right here that the price actually did the same thing we actually, projected. Now you can see that if I'm to remove this chart, the whole of this chart, you're going to see for yourself that this is just a simple uh, candlestick formation dropping into the downside. But marking all the skill levels will actually give you some understanding. Now, look at this here. I marked this one as a liquidity taking, right? And also note that right here, price already took off this demand zone and went above to create the sky, and then price, anytime price get to this level, it becomes what? Oversold. And this is now creating what? A support level. And at this support level, there is two things we want to see. Anytime a support level is touched, one, two, three, four, then it becomes weak. Then price sweep it off. But at the same time, there are still some cases where a support level can still push the market to the upside. So for us to prevent that case, what I had to do was to what? To mark out this as my liquidity in case price doesn't take it out, like the way price is mitigated from this zone and then keeps sweeping upward. Then we look for how to what? Continue the buys. But if that case didn't happen, what we would do, the next thing we would do was to what? After price has bounced to this level, one, two, create a liquidity, came back here. We actually took this advantage of this point because we understood what the market was doing. It came down here again, and then if he has pushed up here, I told you, we would have looked for a way to keep buying. But what did the price did? The price just what? Went ahead, created at least at this region, and then went ahead to what? Break this guy. So you can see price coming back to what? Retest the same level of support. It's broke, right? And testing it as a resistance level. But understand that there is always a zone that is waiting to what? To sustain the liquidation that the support level has actually taken. So that is why we came here. Simple one. We came here. We have a break of market structure, and don't forget that this becomes a trend line liquidity. So since it has been weak support and also price has tapped in there one, two, three times, a couple of times, then you can see price liquidating that guy. But price needs to rest on a demand zone in order to complete its cycle. You understand? When there is a liquidation, there's always a distribution. I used to talk about that. And the funny thing is that me, myself, I marked this area. Also, I came also at this level to mark. But the funny thing is that there was a good reaction at this level. You can see it here. So if I was to take this one dive from here, I was not wrong. So there was a cool reaction from here, and price gave some certain profit, but there was a sell to buy candle formation here that was price reacted from and then broke. So I felt that this area was now a liquidation. So the thing there is I had 2 points, this one and this one here. So I went to the 15 minutes time frame to actually pick my other block, and that is exactly what I did. Right here you can see picked our order block from a 15 minutes time frame, and this is how it looks like, guys. So this is the 15 minutes time frame order block. You can see the last candle formation that actually swept this liquidity came here and then gave us what, a change of character to the upside, and this is still mitigated, so we are expecting price to at least come back to that area. And you can see based on the chart, price came back to this level and went straight to that same liquidity that we marked. And you see, it need to see price take off. You can see everything right here. So this is as sweet as it. Just understanding the basic concept about the chart is very important. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also drop comments that you think that might be helpful for us to actually attend to your case. And we actually offer one-on-one mentorship. Also, I actually have a Discord group where I do my teachings and drop my signals. So don't forget also, this is the Discord channel. Don't forget also to come to this platform to actually, ask one or two questions if you have any challenge. So this is the last signal I actually drop for the group. Yeah. So take care, everybody. See you off. So this is the two area which I was looking for the buys, the first reaction and then the second one. So you can see how good it is. So make sure you click the button, like, comment. See you in the next post.